Hello, today we'll be going over how you can integrate Salesforce and Trumpia on Zapier. Zapier is a tool that helps integrate web applications that you use for your business that may not normally have built-in integration options. In our example, we'll be going over how to add a new contact to Trumpia when a new contact record is created in Salesforce. In the trigger section, we are asked what our app event will be. Since we want the Zap to trigger whenever Salesforce creates a new contact record, we will go ahead and select Salesforce as our app event. We are then asked for a triggering event, and we will select New Record. Next, we need to connect our Salesforce account to Zapier. Since my Salesforce account is already connected with Zapier, all I have to do is select My Account. Now that our account has been successfully connected, we can move on to the next step, which is setting up our trigger. In this example, we are interested in adding new contacts from Salesforce to Trumpia, so the Salesforce record that we want will be Contact. I am just going to do a search for that record name by scrolling down in the search bar. Before we can move on to setting up the steps needed for Trumpia, Zapier requires that we test the trigger for Salesforce. This is just to make sure everything is working correctly and that the correct account is connected. As you can see, a contact record was successfully found in our Salesforce account with all their relevant data. Now we can move on to connecting my Trumpia account. In the action step, we will want to select Trumpia as our app. Our event that we'll be selecting is Create Contact. I'll now select the Trumpia account that I want to be placing these new contacts from Salesforce into. Now I need to say which distribution list we want these contacts to go to. In this case, I decided to go with my distribution list named Zapped List. All that is left now is matching up the contact data from Salesforce to their Trumpia equivalent. The name of the contact was already filled out for me, so I'm moving on to their email. I'll go ahead and select the email field from Salesforce. For the mobile number on Trumpia, I'm going to select Phone from Salesforce. Next, I just want to verify that the data from Salesforce to Trumpia is matched up correctly. Now, I can continue on and test the Zap I just created. Just like that, a new contact was created from Salesforce to Trumpia. If an error had occurred, a message would have been displayed here. All that is left to do is to turn on the Zap and my Salesforce to Trumpia integration is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.